What's up, guys? Thanks for checking out the channel, watching the video. Today we're doing a product review on a sleeping device, a sleep aid. So many, I think I've talked about in the past, I have trouble falling asleep and staying asleep. So the doctor put me on trazodone to help me fall asleep and stay asleep. Well, it helps me fall asleep. It's awesome, actually. I do fall asleep really fast. Usually wake up, have to get up, go to the bathroom because I'm old, and then I have trouble falling back to sleep. Well, this device, I actually saw a celebrity online say they saw this device and it was only like, it wasn't that expensive. So they went in and ordered and they said it surprisingly worked. And so I kind of dug around and I found it on Amazon, and it's called the Talentbaby sleep device. It was 25 bucks. I was like, whatever, it can't hurt. And it's Amazon. If I don't like it, if it doesn't work, I'll just return it. And so anyway, I went ahead and ordered. It came in, so we're going to do an unboxing. We're going to look at the product, and we'll talk about what it actually does. And but for 25 bucks, it's worth a try. If it doesn't work, I'll just send it back. It's Amazon. So anyway, it's a sleep device, and hopefully, if it solves the problem, I will be so happy. I mean, I do fall back asleep, but it takes a while, and I kind of go through. I learned in meditation to how to, they call it monkey brain, where your brain just keeps thinking about nonsense and worrying about stuff. You can kind of turn that off, and but it's a process, and maybe this will help with that. So anyway, I keep rambling. That's what we're going to do today. We're going to review this product called the Talentbaby sleep device on Amazon. I think it was like $24.99. So let's get to that unboxing. If you are not subscribers, take a second, hit that subscribe button down below. Here goes, guys. Let's unbox this thing and see how it works and what it's all about. All right, guys, this is the box, and it says spring sleeping instrument. Anyway, it's shrink wrap, so let's go ahead and cut that open, get inside, and see what is here. It's a nice box. It's a box. It's not a normal box. It's just, it's a, well, I say it's a nice box. If I can get it open. Oh, what? That is a nice box. I do respect packaging. So, okay, here it's smaller than I thought. So this is what it looks like. Betcha this is too small for Ernest. No, it's not. So okay, so you wear that when you're sleeping, and when you wake up in the middle of the night, you put that in your palm like that. Okay, that's not horrible. Let's see what else is in here. You get a charger, and it is a USB-C, and your directions that tell you how to do this, and I'll bet you it's written crazily. But anyway, we're going to read through this, and we'll tell you what that says. We're going to set it on to charge, because I'm sure we need to have a full charge on this before we play with it and try it and see how it works and what it does. So online, it does say it's used for relaxation and stuff, but let's go ahead and get this thing plugged up overnight for a couple of hours and see how it works, and we'll see what it does and how it actually helps you relax, and if it helps you sleep the way it says it does, in a way the celebrity said it did. So let's give it a try. All right, guys, so we've already unboxed it. We've looked at the device. So what is the device? I've already used it a couple of nights. I'm going to give you what I really think about this thing for 25 bucks. If you look at it, it's basically a handheld TENS unit. You have a transmit, it shoots electrical stimulations between this and this. So we've charged it. It's got a little button on the side here. You turn it on, push it in, it lights up. You've got a turn it down button and a turn it up button. And when you turn it, you put your two things there, it gives you a slight little tingle. You turn it up more, it gives you a little more tingle. A little bit more, you can feel it, Actually, I had Mike try it. He doesn't like TENS units and this kind of stuff, so I had him try it. He was not a fan, and it shocked the daylights out of him, but whatever. I called him a baby. But anyway, I digress. So what this thing says it does in the directions, supposedly it interrupts the bad brain waves that interrupt sleep, and it promotes the good brain waves that promote sleep. Does it do that with the fingertips? I don't know. I don't see how it would, but whatever, maybe it does. So the first night I used it, so you put this little yaya right here, you put this around your waist, around your wrist like that, and it hangs off your hand like this while you're sleeping. Thought that was going to drive me absolutely nuts. It did not. So the first night I took it like that, I turned it on, I woke, got up, went to the bathroom, came back in, turned it on, held it like that. It shocked me. It did absolutely nothing. I was so disappointed. Got up and reread the directions. Oopsies, I did it wrong. You're supposed to touch your fingertips. So the next night, I turned it around this way and put my finger against this like that, just like that. I have to say, it may have worked. Is it voodoo? It might be voodoo. It might be straight up black magic. I don't know. I I don't know about it. The whole concept of it blocking the bad brain waves and promoting the good brain waves or whatever. I think it just took my mind off of thinking about things. It kind of thought about this. I thought about this zip, 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 zapping of this, and it just kind of lulled me back to sleep. So I talked to a friend of mine, and she has a bed that vibrates, and she said, like, well, when she's trying to, she works nights, and during the day she turns her bed vibrator on, and it helps her go to sleep because it kind of takes her mind, the vibration takes her mind off of things. That may be what this does. So for $25, it kind of works. And here's another little thing. I woke up one morning with a sore neck. I took this thing, turned it on high, and I laid on it, kind of put it under here and leaned back against a chair, and it worked like a TENS unit on my neck for $25. I'm going to keep it. I mean, it can't hurt anything. It worked pretty well. I mean, is it 100%? Is it great? Is it the best thing? Will it stop my waking, not going back to sleep? Probably not. For $25, yeah, I mean, it worked. It worked pretty good. I thought it helped me stop my monkey brain from going crazy and thinking about things. It stopped me from having to go through this whole rigmarole that I go through to turn that off and go back to sleep. So, I mean, I just turned it on, put it on my fingers, and kind of went back to sleep. So, I'm going to give it a thumbs up. It's not a super, super thumbs up. It's sort of a kind of half a thumbs up, but I liked it for $25. It's the Sleep Baby sleeping device on Amazon for $25. Anyway, guys, if you try it, and I would love to know what you think. I mean, the reviews were like half and half. Some people said they loved it, and some people said it was just did nothing at all. But again, whatever. For 25, if it works for you, you can say it worked for you, keep it. If it doesn't work, it's Amazon, you can send it back. Anyway, that's my review of it, guys. I hope it helped you. I hope you enjoyed it. If you do try it, if you do buy it, try it. Put the comments down below. I want to know how it worked for you. If you have any ideas about it too, I'd like to know. Anyway, guys, if you are not subscribers, do take a second and hit that subscribe button. It helps us so much. We want to thank you all so much for watching the video and joining us and being a part of our world. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit subscribe. We'll see you guys next time. But again, guys, thanks for watching. Be nice to each other, and we'll see you all next time.